Hello dear student, welcome in KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science College Nasik. Myself V.S. Shinde, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. Student, in previous lecture we have seen reactive elimination reaction. In today's lecture we will see the insertion reaction, or we are going to see the insertion reaction. In this insertion reaction we have to see the carbonyl insertion as well as the alkene insertion. Okay, so we have to cover all these carbonyl insertion and alkene insertion in today's lecture. So let's see what is insertion reaction. A chemical reaction in which an atom or a group of atoms is inserted between two atoms which are initially bound together is called as insertion reaction, or we can say it as a migratory insertion reaction. Let's see what is insertion reaction. If this is complex plus AB, which gives LNMAB. Here is insertion of this AB. This is the product. Okay, what is insertion reaction? A chemical reaction in which an atom or a group, a chemical reaction in which atom or group of atoms is inserted between between two atoms which are initially bound together it's called as insertion reaction, or we can say migratory insertion reaction. A chemical reaction in which atom or group of atoms, here is atom or group of atom, is inserted between two atoms. This AB is inserted between these two atoms which are initially bound together. Here M and X was initially bound together, and this AB, this is nothing but the group of atoms is inserted between this M and X. It is nothing but the insertion reaction or migratory insertion reaction. Okay, have you understood now what is insertion reaction? I again repeat, this is the most important step for many catalytic reactions. The atoms, it is a chemical reaction in which atom or group of atom is inserted between two atoms which are initially bound together is called as insertion reaction or migratory insertion reaction. Okay, we see classification of insertion reaction. Let's see the classification of insertion reaction. The insertion reaction are mainly two types depending on the atoms to which the migratory group is transferred. There are two types depending on the atoms to which the migratory group is transferred. First is 1-1 insertion and second is 1-2 insertion. First is 1-1 insertion while second is 1-2 insertion. Let's see what is the 1-1 insertion. If this is example L N M R C double bond O, okay, which gives Ln M C R double bond O, okay. This is the migratory insertion of this R group, 1-1 insertion. Okay, this is 1-1 insertion. While in case of 1-2 insertion, ln m CH2 CH2, which gives ln m CH2 CH2 H. Okay, here is the 1,2 insertion. 1,2. Here is the 1,2 insertion. This hydrogen is inserted here. CH2, CH2, CH2. While this is the 1,1 insertion. Okay, this is the metal center. Near the metal center, there is one position. So 1,1 insertion. Here is the metal center. So 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2 insertion. Okay, so this is about the classification of insertion reaction. There are main two types of insertion reaction. First is 1,1 insertion and second one is 1,2 insertion. This is about the 1,1 insertion and this is about the 1,2 insertion. Okay, so let's see the carbonyl insertion. Carbonyl insertion. This is also very important. Carbonyl insertion. Let's see the carbonyl insertion. A carbon monoxide has, that is CO, has a strong tendency to insert into the metal alkyl bond to produce metal acyls. Okay, so let's see example. Mn, CO, CO, CO. This is CH3, CO, CO. Okay, this is CO, CO, all 5 are CO. One is CH3 is there, plus CO star. CO star, which gives product Mn, C double bond O CH3, CO, 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 CO. Here is the star CO and CO. Okay, this is nothing but the product which form acyl group. Okay, means a carbon that is CO, carbonyl has a strong tendency to insert into the metal alkyl. This carbonyl is inserted between the metal alkyl. This is nothing but your metal alkyl. The carbonyl has the strong tendency to insert into the metal alkyl bond to produce metal acyl. This is nothing but the metal acyl group. Okay, to form metal acyl group. Let's see the mechanism for this reaction. Carbonyl insertion. Okay, let's see mechanism. Mn, C triple bond O, CO, CH3, CO, CO. Okay, this is nothing but we can say substrate. Fast. Okay, which gives the transition state. Mn, CO, 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 CO. This is CH3, C triple bond O, and here is the 3-membered transition state. Here is the transition state. So next reaction is again fast one. see carefully what happened here. CO, 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 C, CH3. This is breaking of this bond, huh? C, CH3, double bond O. Okay, so here is creation of vacant coordination site. This is vacant coordination site, and this CH3 is comes here. That is, here is carbonyl insertion, which again gives. Now next step is slowest one, that is plus CO, star CO. Huh? So I directly show here CO, which is a star 1, and C double bond O CH3. Again CO, 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 CO. Okay, this is nothing but your product. That is, here is the formation of metal alkyl bond to metal acyl. Okay, sorry, formation name. Here is breaking of metal alkyl bond, which gives the metal acyl. Here is the weakening of this bond during the transition state, during formation of this transition state, which gives the metal acyl group. Okay, that is MnC double bond O CH3. This is the actual mechanism for carbonyl insertion. Okay, what was happened in first step? Here is only your complex. Then there is formation of transition state, that is 3-member transition state between carbonyl and CH3, that is methyl group. Then next step is fast one. This CH3 is shifted here or migrate here, and this is nothing but your transition state, which then again add that carbonyl, and which gives the final product in the acyl form. Okay, this is nothing but the carbonyl insertion. So let's see next one, that is alkene insertion. Alkene insertion. Alkene insertion. This is also important step, that is alkene insertion. The insertion of coordinated alkene into MH bond is very important reaction, because it gives alkyl and it constitutes a key step in variety of catalytic processes. Means alkene insertion is very important step in variety of catalytic processes such as hydrogenation, hydroformylation, etc. So let's see the example of alkene insertion. Ln M H plus CH2 double bond CH CH3, which gives product, that is Ln M CH2 CH H. Here is CH3. Okay, so this is the middle center. So alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, what is alkene insertion? The insertion of coordinated alkene into MH bond. This is the coordinated alkene, and insertion of this coordinated alkene into MH bond. Here is M and here is your H. So insertion of alkene into coordinated MH bond, and this step is very important in many catalytic processes. Okay, like hydrogenation, hydroformylation, etc. What happened here? This reaction involves a transfer of this hydrogen. Okay, this reaction involves the transfer of hydrogen atom from metal atom to beta carbon atom of carbon carbon double bond. Here is the transfer of this metal hydrogen to alpha beta. This is the alpha beta to the beta carbon atom of carbon carbon double bond. This is the alpha beta. So here is transfer of hydrogen from this metal center to this beta carbon. Okay, this is the actual process of alkene insertion, and it is exact reverse of beta elimination reaction. beta elimination reaction. This is the exact reverse reaction of beta elimination reaction. Okay, this is also very simple reaction like carbonyl insertion. Now let's see another example. You have to only remember that in alkene insertion reaction there is transfer of hydrogen atom from metal atom to beta carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond, or we can say carbon-carbon double bond alkene. Okay, let's see another example. LNMH. This is star H plus CCH H H H alkene. Okay, which gives LNM. This is the mechanism. H C C H H H H. Okay, again C. There is formation of transition state LNM H C C H H H H. Okay, here is the formation of transition state, four-member transition state between metal and these both centers, both carbon and this is the hydrogen, which gives the product LNM CH 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 CH. Here is your star H. Okay, so alpha, sorry, this is the metal center, so here is alpha, here is beta, so there is transfer of this H, here is star H, transfer of this H from metal center to beta carbon. Okay, to alpha and beta. This is the beta carbon. This is nothing but the alkene insertion reaction, and its opposite reaction is nothing but the beta elimination reaction. Okay, this is the mechanism for alkene reaction. There is formation of first transition state, that is four-member transition state between that alkene and metal center and hydrogen, and then in this transition state there is transfer of this hydrogen from there is transfer of this H from this metal center to beta carbon. Okay, this is nothing but the insertion reaction of alkene. And let's see what is the beta elimination reaction. That is not our part, but only for our convenience. What is the beta elimination? If this is an complex Lm CH2 CH H and R, this is alpha. Let's see the position metal, so alpha and beta. So this metal carries vacant coordination site. Okay, so it is vacant coordination site, so this hydrogen is transfer here and this metal bond is, sorry, metal CH2 bond is shifted here, which gives again transition state, but I do not show here transition state. I think there is no need. I directly show here product LMM CH2 CH R, and this is your H. Okay, so this is nothing but the beta elimination reaction. A reverse of alkene insertion is called beta elimination reaction. Okay, what happened here? Here we transfer the beta hydrogen to this vacant metal center, which gives LMM. Here is H, and here is your CH2CHR, that is alkene. Okay, so here we have finished our this chapter, that is types of other reactions. In this topic we have covered oxidative addition reaction, after that reductive elimination reaction and insertion reaction. In insertion reaction we have seen the types of insertion reaction. There are two types, basically one insertion, one two insertion, and there is we have seen also carbonyl insertion and alkene insertion. And alkene insertion and beta hydride elimination is exactly reverse of each other or opposite of each other. Okay, so thank you student. In next lecture we will start photochemistry.